Hold up, are we all seriously sprinkling breakfast leftovers into our garden and expecting a tomato explosion? They say eggshells are grandma's secret weapon. But today, on Mkirikacha TV, we're cracking the truth. Are eggshells really fertilizer gold, or is this just another social media scramble? Let's dig in. You've seen it, you've probably tried it. Eggshells, nature's free fertilizer, straight from your omelet to your garden. It's got that grandma knows best vibe. Like, if you're not tossing eggshells into your soil, are you even gardening? Social media loves this one. One cracked shell and suddenly you're the tomato whisperer. But is this just viral hype, or is there some crunchy truth in those shells? Alright, let's get nerdy for a sec. Eggshells are packed with calcium carbonate, about 95% of it. And calcium is crucial for plants. It strengthens cell walls and helps prevent blossom end rot. Yes, that ugly black patch on your tomatoes. Plus, eggshells break down slowly, meaning they could act like a time-release vitamin for your soil. But, here comes the but, how much calcium do they actually release? And how fast? Spoiler alert, not very fast. Let's talk data. Studies show calcium deficiency hurts tomatoes big time, no question there. But when it comes to eggshells as the solution, the evidence is a bit scrambled. Eggshells take months, even years to fully break down. So, unless you're grinding them to powder and adding a bucket load, the impact is tiny. Meanwhile, real calcium fixes, things like lime or calcium nitrate, those actually work fast and get absorbed quickly. Here's the tea. Your plants don't just need calcium, they need nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and wait for it, a full-on microbial dance party in the soil. Eggshells won't fix a poor soil on their own, but compost? Now we're talking. Compost gives your garden the full buffet, not just a tiny calcium snack. So, are eggshells useless? Nope. They can help. They do contain calcium. But are they a miracle fertilizer? Nah, they're like the parsley on a steak dinner. Nice touch, but not the main dish. Want thriving tomatoes? Focus on the whole system. Feed your soil, balance your nutrients. And hey, throw in some crushed eggshells. Just don't bet the whole harvest on them. Eggshells. Not fake news, but definitely overhyped. Stick with science, balance your soil, and let your tomatoes do the talking. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Drop your weirdest garden hack in the comments. Let's see who's got the craziest one. And don't forget to subscribe to Mkirikacha TV for more truth, laughs, and garden goodness.